No other
Counsel for
questions.
prosecutor will please proceed.
Your Honor, may I be allowed to speak in Cebuano a bit? Mahimo ba kita magpadayon? In Tagalog, it means in English, can we proceed?
Counsel may proceed.
Thank you so much, Mr. Witness. Now, in what particular portion of the subject video did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill the president, the first lady, and the former speaker of the House of Representatives?
Are you done?
Objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
Wow.
Kindly state objection, counsel for response.
Your Honor, the question is misleading. There was no mention anywhere before that the video mentioned that the killing of the president.
To kill.
Yeah, there's no mention in any testimony earlier. There's no mention that that video.
Your Honor, again, with all respect, the records will bear me out. Bases have been more than complied with. This witness mentioned many times over that the subject of the investigation is the statement of the Vice President that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. There's no basis for the objection, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, may I ask for a readback? He was the only party who said that, Your Honor, not
Kindly
the...
use the third party in referring to opposing counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a...
Let the counsel for defense finish his statement.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a reading of the transcript, as the witness, to my recollection, never mentioned that the Vice President did those things.
All right. If I may, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, kindly lay the basis.
Yes, Your Honor, please. Now, Mr. Witness, you said that your office, the NBI, conducted an investigation for a statement made by the Vice President noong Nobyembre 23, taong 2024. Naalala mo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, Your Honor, please.
What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please. If I may, Your Honor,
Do
please.
you remember? Leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving into what the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he investigated the statement of the Vice President uttering that she already contracted a person. The whole nation is listening.
The chair will
Your
make
Honor,
a ruling.
so
The
many
objection-
words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled earlier. Chair noted, I have it in my notes, that the question was propounded by counsel with respect to the 11/23/24 incident that was the subject matter of a digital forensic examination by the witness pertaining to the former Vice President. That was the instance, if the counsel will recall, that counsel for the prosecutors asked the witness if he knew who the Vice President was. So the objection is overruled. Witness may answer.
Your Honor, may I...
Ano pa ba ang pinipigilan itong tagapagtanggol ni Sara Duterte? Buong Pilipinas napanood naman na yung video na yan. Bakit ayaw nyo pang ipa-play diyan sa impeachment court? Naku kahit nga bata, kabisado ang mga sinabi ni Sara Duterte na pagbabanta sa ating Pangulo, kay First Lady at kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ayaw niyo ipa-play. Dito, ipa-play natin.
Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Ayan na. No joke, no joke. Diba? Sabi nga ni Sara. Bakit ba ba ayaw niya ipa-play yan? Kasi maaalala ng mga Pilipino kung gaano kawalang hiya ang ating Vice Presidente. Nako, heto pa po yung video. Makikita niyo po dito. Nako, hindi lang po 16 ang abogado ni Sara Duterte.
State for the record, my objection is on the part of the question where he said that the vice president hired someone to kill the president, the first lady, and the speaker of the house, not on the identification of the vice president.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness, naalala mo ba yung tanong?
Can you repeat the question,
Okay
sir?
now.
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
In what particular portion of the subject video in that online media conference of the vice president did she utter that she already contracted a person to kill the president, the first lady, the former speaker? In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
What
Sir,
is the objection?
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question. The discussion later on was on the leading question made by the prosecutor. If you recall, Your Honor, this honorable court said, prosecutor, please lay the foundation, the basis for your question.
Your Honor, please, if I make a response.
The presiding officer will ask the witness. Mr. Witness, out of the 2 or more so hours of video that you downloaded, do you know if at all the timestamp that pertains to any statements made by the Vice President pertaining to any of the allegations in the articles of impeachment, particularly Article 4, the subject matter of this case, in relation to alleged threats made by her in that video?
Yes, Your Honor, but may I refer to my investigator's note, Your Honor?
You may do so. Senator Cayetano,
Presiding officer,
Alan Cayetano, sorry,
may I know from the records, is this the first time that the witness mentioned that the vice president uttered threats against the president, the former speaker, and the first lady?
Your Honor, if I may, there was
Because if
no
it's the-
mention at all.
No, yes.
Sorry, apologies.
No, because if it's the first time, precisely the rule says that you cannot allow leading questions. Whether it's from the judges, whether it's from the presiding officer or from the defense or the... So meaning you lay the basis. Simply, you ask him ano yung laman ng video. Pag binanggit na niya na may ganito sa laman ng video, then you can ask him na directly what part. So all of us want to expedite it, but let's follow the rules. So that's why I'm asking, has this witness this afternoon, I missed a portion because I have a headache and I had to eat before I drink medicine, but I was watching sa TV. But hindi ko pa narinig na sinabi niya to. Kasi kung hindi pa niya sinabi, Mr. Presiding Officer, can we just follow the rules and just lay the basis, ask him kung ano laman ng video, let him testify, tapos pag binanggit niya, then you can ask him, hindi na siya leading. But we shouldn't really ask leading questions because we'll violate the rules. So excuse me, but I'll just be very particular when it comes to the rules, and it's not against any group. Mr.
Senator
Presiding
Judge
Officer.
Cayetano.
Hindi po tayo na-inform. Nadagdagan pala ang mga abogado ni Sara Duterte at etong si Alan Peter Cayetano ay mukhang nag-aabogado na din dito kay Sara Duterte. Alam niyo po, siguro naman karamihan sa mga sumusubaybay dito sa impeachment, nakita ninyo kung paano po magsalita, mag-reason out at kung paano po umepal etong si Alan Peter at si Pia Cayetano. Kitang-kita nyo naman po yan. Alam niyo po, di ba, dapat impartial sila dahil sila po yung mga senator judge. Pero nakikita po natin, ang kanila pong mga ine-epal, kanila pong mga dinadahilan, ay mukhang pumapabor po kay Sara Duterte. Kahit po the way silang magsalita, mahalata naman na sila po ay pumapabor sa ating Vice Presidente na nililitis po ngayon. So dito po, maliwanag pa lang kagad na hindi po impartial etong minority sa impeachment court na ito. Bagkus, talagang pinapakita po nila na sila po ay kampe kay Sara Duterte. Nako, meron bang parusa yung mga ganitong judge na dapat maparusahan kung magpapakita ng impartiality dyan po sa impeachment court. Kung wala po, alam nyo na po gagawin ninyo sa mga susunod na eleksyon. Sa 2028 at sa 2031 election, alam nyo na gagawin sa mga ganitong senador na hindi po impartial at talagang may kinikilingan po oras na magkaroon ng impeachment. Dapat po dyan, kalusin na.
It will take some time before we can quote unquote appeal to the records. I'm trying to have them get it. But in lieu of that, that's why the chair tried to intervene. Can counsel kindly lay the basis for the witness to be able to identify the timestamp portions of the 2-hour video?
All right.
Counsel for the prosecutors may proceed.
This will be quick. Mr. Witness, you said that your office conducted an investigation on the statement made by the Vice President dated November 23, 2024, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
Your Honor.
Your Honor, he's not on direct. He's
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, tanong, ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President nung araw na yan, November 23, 2024?
objection, Your Honor.
Well,
Vague.
I'm not yet done.
Well, Your Honor, the pauses of the prosecution are very
Kindly
confusing.
let the counsel for the prosecutors finish his question
Precisely,
before
Your
you
Honor.
object.
May I
Counsel
ask
for the prosecutor
also
may proceed.
may I ask, instead of this, Your Honor, may I ask that the Honorable Court direct the witness to allow me to object before answering? Because
No.
precisely the questioning of the prosecutor
Okay, what?
is there are many pauses, which it's confusing if he's done or not.
Counsel, witness even on occasion forgot what the question was because he did not respond to the question of the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor. So I just
Court will
May-
make sure of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So kindly finish your question if
Yes,
you want
so-
to state it again, counsel for the prosecutors.
Maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick. What particular statements of the Vice President on that day did you investigate?
objection, Your
Oh.
Honor. Vague.
Please.
Take counsel for respondent. A bit of patience. Let the counsel
Yes.
finish. I don't think he's finished.
The question is done. What particular statement on that day did you investigate? How is that leading?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague.
Okay,
Not
Your Honor.
leading.
Your Honor, please. Can
I didn't
address
say
to that,
leading.
Your Honor, please? Can I?
What was
Whether-
counsel? What's the basis of the objection?
Vague.
All right. I will
It's a
indulge.
2
Your
hour
Honor, please.
36
I will
26 minute
indulge, Your
video,
Honor,
Your
please.
Honor.
I will indulge. I will add these two phrases. It will never be. It will never be that. Now, Mr. Witness, what statement did the Vice President utter on that day, if any?
Your Honor,
Whoa.
same objection. There's a
Your Honor,
2 hour 26 minute. What?
Let the
does he
witness
mean?
answer.
Counsel, this 2 hour and so minute video was done on the same day.
Yes.
Correct, Your Honor, but the question must be given with particularity.
If the witness knows, witness may answer.
Answer.
Witness will please answer.
Okay.
O, di ba? Kahit ang abogado ni Sara natawa na lang bakit hindi umuubra ang kanyang pag-object-object. Puro na lang objection. Ilang beses na nga sinabi na eto nga pong video na ito, ilang beses na ring napanood, ilang beses pinag-aralan, at nako, buong Pilipinas, lahat halos ng Pilipino, mapa-Pilipino dito sa Pilipinas, mapa-Pilipino sa ibang bansa, OFW, mahirap, mayaman, makapangyarihan o barangay tanod, lahat po, napanood na po ang video na yan. So, ano pang kailangan ng object-object na yan? 'Di ba? Alam niyo po, eto malinaw na malinaw po dito ang estratehiya ng kampo ni Sara Duterte. Ang gusto po nila ay hindi po ma-play itong video para nga naman hindi maalala ng mga Pilipino kung paano po ito sinabi ni Sara Duterte ng buong pagpupuyos ng galit dahil nga po sa nangyari kay Zulaika Lopez. Tandaan ninyo, dahil po kay Zulaika Lopez, yung video na yan, dyan po nagsimula ang galit ni Sara Duterte at kaya po siya nakapagbanta sa ating Pangulo dahil nga po dyan sa kanyang secretary o basta kanyang tauhan na si Zulaika Lopez. Diyan po nagsimula yan. At isa pa, sige, ayaw nyo ipa-play sa Senado. Pero nakita ko, pinost na ng Rappler, ang dami na ring nag-review o nag-replay doon sa Manila Bulletin. Ang dami na pong nag-post nitong video na ito. So yun pong pinipigilan sa Senado, sa impeachment court na i-play na video, pinakalat na po ulit sa SOCMED para maalala ng mga Pilipino kung gaano po kawalang hiya at kung gaano po kapusakal na pag-iisip kriminal ang ating vice-presidente.
I refer for my notes to identify the exact statement because I might said a statement that's not part of the actual statement.
Presiding officer will allow the witness to refer to his notes to refresh his memory. Go ahead, Mr. Witness.
The specific statement, quote and quote, yes, huwag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta at si Martin Romualdez. No joke, no joke. Nagbilin na ako ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag kang tumigil hanggat di mo sila mapatay. Hanggat di mo sila mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Please proceed, counsel.
Thank you. Now, in what particular portion of that video recording that you authenticated of that online media briefing on November 23, 2024, did the Vice President utter those words?
If I may, sir, I think we should include the question first. It start at 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour 17 minutes and 18 seconds, sir.
Your Honor, so the witness manifested as an answer to the question in what portion he said, timestamps 1 hour 15 minutes 0 second to 1 hour 17 minutes 18 seconds, and we computed, Your Honor, please, it's a 2-minute 18-second portion of that video. At this juncture, Your Honor, please, bases have been laid. The nation can finally see it. The court will do. We move that's 2-minute and 18-second portion of that video be presented at this juncture, Your Honor, please.
The Secretariat is instructed to play the USB given to the tech behind that was observed and witnessed by both counsels for the parties. Sorted. Kindly play the video.
Vice President, thank you so much nga po pala sa dala niyong hopya nung hearing na pumunta kayo for PRRD. Kami yung nasa likod niyo po, yung tinawag nilang bastos kasi po malaki. Congresswoman.
Kindly pause it. Ganyan ba talaga?
Your Honor, please, Your Honor, please, the witness said that he would like to include the question propounded to the
So,
Vice
okay lang.
President.
So ganyan nga, hindi nalalakihan yan? Ganyan na talaga yan? Or it will get bigger?
It will get bigger, Your Honor, please.
Okay, please proceed.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Nakakain kami. Ako po ay natatakot kumain ng pagkain doon baka mamaya. Ma'am, mag-iingat po kayo. Nasa teritoryo kayo ng kalaban.
Okay lang
Nag-aalala po kami.
ma'am, kasi sila naman sila talaga yung bastos eh. You read what you
Okay.
saw.
Yeah. Mag-iingat po kayo kasi sa dinami-rami po ng inyong mga pasabog ngayong gabi, it seems like marami po talaga kayong alam about them, no? Dahil sa pagkakasama niyo sa kanila during the campaign and during the 2022 elections. Baka po mamaya kasi totoo yung mga naririnig namin or yung, I don't know if it's true, na meron daw silang Operation Romanovs and baka bala kayong ubusin ang inyong pamilya dahil hadlang kayo sa kanilang mga balaki in the future. So mag-iingat po kayo. Kami po kasi kami ng EDSA Friday crew, kami yung bumababa every Friday dyan sa EDSA because we believe yan yung tamang venue sa dinami-rami na ng problema natin. Ang kaya lang naman po namin gawin ay manawagan na bumaba na yan. Eh ano po kaya ang remedy naman ninyong mga nasa posisyon o ng mga kayang labanan itong napakarami na pong ginagawang korupsyon at krimen laban sa taong bayan? Ano po ang pwede nyo maging remedy para matapos na ito? Lalo't nagsisigaw na po ang taong bayan na mag-people power na.
Yes. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romales. No joke. No joke. Nagdilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
That's the end of that 2-minute and 18-second portion of the video, Your Honor, please. Pwede ba kita magpadayon? Can we continue?
Counsel may continue, may proceed.
Now, Mr. Witness, what relation, if any, does that video that you viewed with the video you mentioned earlier, the Vice President uttering that statement?
It is the portion of the video that I authenticated, sir.
Okay. Let's continue. What happened next, Mr. Witness, kung meron man, after mong ma-authenticate yung subject video na yan?
Our team conducted an open source investigation